Back to my channel. My name is Niobe and today I'm gonna do a really cute luxury pink eye makeup look. Now, I'm a girly who doesn't typically go for like fantasy colors on my lid. I'm definitely more so a soft, glam, neutral, earthy tone, gold girly. But I got invited to an influencer event in Washington, DC, and it's for this company called Tea Around Town, New York City, but they're actually opening up that experience in DC. What that is literally a tour bus which is all pink, and it has like a tea party experience inside. It's super girly, as you can see by the bus. And here, let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. They invited me as their influencer, and yeah, I'm super excited. I have my outfit on already. Hold on, I just want to show you guys what the inside of the bus looks like because I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to vlog it and post the vlog later so you guys can check it out, and I'll make sure to leave my code so you guys also have a discount code. They are available in New York City, Philly, and DC. And so I absolutely am here for it because I'm not a girly who really drinks. I'm a girly who loves to just like enjoy herself without alcohol, just because alcohol just makes me feel shitty in the morning and just I don't like how it feels. I'm wearing a skirt set and it's all pink. It's a satin fabric, which I absolutely love. I'll make sure to post pictures on my Instagram later for just outfit inspo. And I'm just super excited. I invited my girl out with me because it is her birthday weekend. So I do not have anything on my skin right now except for my skincare. So I'm gonna do my base off of camera, including my brows. And then we're just gonna jump into the eyeshadow look. All right, my love, so I am back. I have my base on, my lips, and my brows. And so let's get started on this pink eyeshadow look. All right, so for my eyes, I will be using two palettes by the Juvia's Place. The first one is the Magic Mini, and I have the second one here called the Nubian 2. I'm also gonna start off with using eye primer by Anastasia Beverly Hills all over my lids. Then I'm gonna go in and blend it using my finger. Just all over my lid. I like to make sure I blend it out well so that I don't have any creases with just extra product buildup. Like so. Pretty, right? And that's it. That's the look. I'm joking. So first, I'm gonna go in with Madagascar. Don't mind the palette, y'all. She has been through it, okay? But put some respect on her name because the pigment here does not lie. As you're applying Madagascar on your crease, you want to make sure that you blur it out a bit, like so. This is gonna look so pretty. Now we're gonna go in with a deeper brown, and I'll be picking Kenya, which is right down here. And I will be applying this on the farther end of my eyes, out here towards the outer crease. Just to add a little bit of depth. By the way, guys, don't mind my dishwasher in the back. And you want to make sure you keep it farther out. And just blend. Now, using a fluffy brush, we are gonna go in and just blend everything out. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Nana, which is this beautiful nude, brown nude color here. It's a little lighter than my skin tone, and we're gonna apply this on the lid, right over top of everything. Using the same shade Nana, I'm gonna go in and just smudge out my under eye. And finally, we are gonna go in with Kogi, which is this really beautiful flamingo pink color. And I'll be applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. Now I am going to apply my lashes off camera. I don't think I will be putting on a wing liner. I'm gonna put my lashes on first and see how we feel about it. And my dolls, we are finito. I am going to add a little bit of mascara by Charlotte Tilbury. This is called the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. This is like their travel or sample size. This was in the PR kit she sent me. And I'm just gonna apply some at the bottom of my lashes, just to enhance the eyes a little more. And voila, this is the final look. Where is my setting spray? I am gonna go ahead and seal everything with the airbrush finishing spray. This is an up close of what the makeup looks like for all my girlies who really want that detail. It is just such a cute look. Like, I can see this for concerts, for a fun girls' night, just something exciting. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is just so freaking pretty. Well, amiga, I hope you enjoyed this pink makeup tutorial. It's definitely gorgeous and one of those looks that make people do a double take. Make sure you subscribe to the family down below and follow me on Instagram. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.